Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news are read by Jonas Yantan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday took a review meeting of the research and vaccine development ecosystem against the COVID-19 pandemic, including testing technologies, contact tracing, drugs and therapeutics. Modi appreciated the efforts made by Indian vaccine developers and manufacturers to rise to the COVID-19 challenge and committed to continue government's facilitation and support for all such efforts. The Prime Minister directed both sero surveys and testing to scale up. He said that the facility to get tested regularly, speedily and inexpensively must be available to all at the earliest. He took stock of the Health Ministry's comprehensive distribution and delivery mechanism for vaccines. Modi also underscored the need for continuous and rigorous scientific testing and validation of traditional medicine treatments. He called for continued vigilance and high state of preparedness against the pandemic. Muguchung Deputy Commissioner in an order said a document titled Information, which was issued by all ward union Muguchung Town Awar Dalongjem and Muguchung Town Lanur Dalongjem is unauthorized and deemed as illegal. The order said that the document issued by the three organizations goes against the Standard Operating Procedure (SOP) issued by the government for opening of religious places and SOP for partial reopening of schools for classes 9 to 12 and permission for skill or entrepreneurship training institution and centers. It said the new consolidated guidelines dated 31st August issued by government mentions that outside containment zones, no order shall be issued imposing any additional or stricter lockdown measures at a district, sub-district, circle or any other level except with the previous approval of the government. Further, the order said that the revised SOP for returnees and travellers entering Nagaland was also notified, wherein it clearly states the SOP will be uniformly implemented throughout the state without any deviation and will not be modified by district task force, urban local bodies, village authorities or community-based organization. General Observer for the by-election to the South Nangami 1 Assembly Constituency, S.K. Prathan, has arrived Kohima. Kohima Deputy Commissioner and District Election Officer Muhammad Ali Shihab has informed that political parties, candidates and general public have been informed that the General Observer can be contacted for any election-related matters. It is also informed that the General Observer can be met between 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. on any working day. Saki One Stop Center OSC and Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana PMMVY under the Department of Social Welfare Beren organized an awareness seminar at Police New Reserve Beren Town yesterday. Speaking at the program, District Coordinator PMMVY Cell Kei Zeting Ndang gave a brief introduction about PMMVY scheme and the importance of getting timely medical checkup during pregnancy and after childbirth. Ndang said consumption of alcohol and use of tobacco during pregnancy increases the chance of sudden infant death syndrome and fetal alcohol spectrum disability. He also dwelled on the importance of exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months after childbirth and the importance of timely vaccination in reducing infant mortality rate. IT staff Akosi Kate highlighted on OSC and helpline number 181. Centre has requested all citizens to connect with the cause of war widows, ex-servicemen, wards of the martyred soldiers and contribute generously to Armed Forces Flag Day Fund in solidarity with the soldiers and their next of kin or dependents. Contributions to Armed Forces Flag Day Fund are exempted from income tax. This financial assistance is provided out to the Armed Forces Flag Day Fund, for which contributions are received from the general public on the Armed Forces Flag Day, which is celebrated on 7 December every year. Payments may be made to Gendriya Sainik Board, Secretariat, New Delhi, in favor of the Armed Forces Flag Day Fund, payable at New Delhi. And as the nation fights COVID-19 pandemic, let us all remember to stay safe and protected by following the 3 simple steps: wear face masks, wash hands frequently, and follow social distancing. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.